Gerunds versus infinitives. Understanding the key differences. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic in English grammar: the difference between gerunds and infinitives. These grammatical terms might sound a bit complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down into understandable pieces. So, let's get started. A gerund is a verb that functions as a noun in a sentence. It's created by adding ing to the base form of a verb. For instance, in the sentence, I enjoy reading. Reading is a gerund that expresses an action as a concept or an activity, rather than a specific action happening in the present moment. It's important to remember that gerunds are always singular and function as nouns. On the other hand, an infinitive is the base form of a verb, often used with the word to. For example, in the sentence, I want to read is an infinitive. Infinitives can serve multiple purposes. They can act as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs, unlike gerunds which only function as nouns. Here's where things get tricky. Sometimes, gerunds and infinitives can be used interchangeably with slight changes in meaning. For example, consider these two sentences. 1. I stopped smoking. 2. I stopped to smoke. In the first sentence, the gerund smoking means that I quit the habit of smoking. In the second sentence, the infinitive to smoke suggests that I stopped what I was doing in order to smoke. As you can see, the choice between a gerund and an infinitive can significantly affect the meaning of a sentence. Some verbs in English always go with gerunds, while others always go with infinitives. For example, the verb enjoy is followed by a gerund, as in, I enjoy swimming. Conversely, the verb want is followed by an infinitive, as in, I want to swim. It's important to learn which verbs prefer gerunds and which prefer infinitives to use English more naturally and correctly. That's it for today's lesson, folks. We've explored the key differences between gerunds and infinitives. It might take some practice to get comfortable with these concepts, but don't worry, with time, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, learning English, like any language, is a journey. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.